In this video, I want to show you how to group multiple layers or multiple files into a single layer in Global Mapper. I'll show you how to do it, and I'll also tell you the importance of grouping your multiple data into a single layer in Global Mapper. To do that, I want to bring in some series of data. So I'll click on Open Data File. Let me navigate to that folder where I have it. I have it here. Now, to make it easier, I want to select only vector layer. In that case, I'll select shapefile. Here is shapefile. I want to use only shapefile. I'll select it. So only shapefile in this folder will be displayed. So I have multiples series of data here. So I'll select all and click on Open. I'll click OK. Yes, it has been added. If you look at the table of contents, you will see series of layers that it brought in. However, as I'm trying to check and uncheck, you can see that it's one by one that it is checking it. So now if you have series of data like this, whereby you need to be checking it one by one, if you have series of data like this, and you can see in the table of content, there are so many. So how do I arrange it or group it in such a way that I can check and uncheck all of them at once? So the advantage of this is that when you group it together, instead of check and uncheck one by one, just as I'm doing, you can actually group them together. It will reduce the clumsiness of this table of contents and also allow you to easily manipulate your data on the data view page. So to do that, you need to select everything. Just highlight the first one, move to the last one, hold your shift key and click on the last one. You can see that all the data in the table of content has been selected. Now to group it as it is selected, just right click, then come to group. You can see here, set group to assign to the selected layer. So all the selected layer will be grouped as one. So if I click on it, it will ask me provide the group name to use for the selected layer. So you can give it any name. Let's just say group. Then click on OK. You can see that it has grouped everything under one name called group, such that if I uncheck it, everything will be unchecked. If I check it, everything will be checked. So you can see it has grouped everything. This makes data management easier on the interface of Global Mapper. And of course, if you expand it, if you want to see all the data that you group, you can click on this plus sign to expand it, just as I've done, and you can collapse it. But if you want to check and uncheck, you can use this icon so you can see. So the benefit of this is that it helps you to effectively manage your series of data. So you can check and uncheck, and it also reduces the clumsiness of your table of contents. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.